that cool or what?
What's up guys, Josh here with JCS Customs, and today I'm bringing you a really cool product that we're going to install on my 2021 Camaro SS. So first off, I hope that everyone out there watching is having a great Labor Day holiday, as well a great Labor Day weekend filled with good food, family, and of course, college football. So excited that college football is back. Best time of the year in my opinion. So I cannot wait to install this product on my car. It is actually from a company named Seequenced LLC on Instagram, and they have a website and YouTube. I will go in depth a little bit later in the video as far as how to find their product. So it's actually a product that I won from a 2K giveaway. Super stoked that that happened, and they put out the opportunity for someone to win this awesome product. So we're going to go ahead and jump in and show you what you get with the product and show you what it takes. Super simple install, about 5 to 10 minutes to install. Super easy, so let's do it. So here it is from Seequenced LLC. As you see that wonderful Made in the USA sticker right there. Now I must go ahead and throw in, this is a OEM product that is modified by this company, so that's really nice. But it's not a fully aftermarket product. It is an OEM product. So let's go ahead and pull everything out here so I can show y'all. So this is the main product here. It is the third brake light blacked out, as mine on the car already is blacked out, but this one is modified and it's going to be awesome. So what they do is they have different brake and show patterns on this light. If you go to their website, you can see popping up here on the screen how they have different patterns showing. Mine for the brake pattern is Ricochet, and for my show pattern, I picked Mystic. Really cool. So for the show pattern, you get a little 12-volt plug-in with a push button, because you do not want to be having your lights showing a pattern going down the road. That's just, I'm pretty sure that's highly illegal in the United States. So when you're stopped somewhere, you know, you pull up to the gas station, you click this bad boy and have a cool pattern showing up on your car. Instructions, order summary, more instructions talking about the 12-volt show pattern button, as well as 2 stickers. Awesome, look at that. You slap both of these bad boys on the car, that's 10 more horsepower right there. Awesome. So let's go ahead and jump straight into how you can find this product real quick, and we'll put it on the car. So if you head over to my Instagram at JCS__custom showing up in the bottom of the left of the screen right there, you'll notice that you see Seequenced LLC in the bio under sponsors. Super excited to announce that they are my newest sponsor. So next to that, you'll see a discount code that will give you 10% off of every order, guys. So make sure to use that discount code. So if you click their Instagram name there, you'll notice that they have a lot of videos showing product, and it's not just Camaros. So you click their link and go to their website, and you can see there's a lot of products there as well. And if you head over to their YouTube, they have a few videos showing what the lights actually look like. So here is the third brake light that we're going to be replacing on my car. So you can see I've already customized it with my last name, but we're going to put that new product in. So here's a few things you're going to need to do the install. And like I mentioned before, it's a super easy and straightforward install. So you're going to want some Goo Gone with a microfiber, a pry tool, and just because I like to keep things in best quality as possible, some tape. You're going to use this tape to outline your light, so when you're prying with your pry tool, you don't mess your paint up. Also, you can remove the trunk liner and reach up in there with a T15 Torx bit and, you know, something with a long handle on it so you can reach up in there and unscrew some bolts that I'll show on the back side of the light here in a minute. Those bolts actually cause clips to kind of expand a little bit, and but you don't have to do that to get this out. You can simply use the pry tool, reach up in here and pry the light out. So let's show the back of the new light so I can detail just a little bit more about those T15 Torx bits. So here's our light. If you notice on the back here, you got these clips that have T15 Torx bolts in them. So what I've read is mainly these two middle ones are what holds it in. If you want to do this, you can unscrew these a little bit to allow these clips to kind of loosen a little bit so you can pull the light out, but you don't have to. As well, something I need to mention is if you want to ever change up your brake pattern, your show pattern, they put your customer order number right there so you can send this back in and they will change it for free. All you have to pay is the shipping. So you can change your modes to whatever you want, whenever you want, and they would gladly do that for you. So we're gonna start this install. We're gonna try to do it without having to touch these here. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the tape, and I will fast forward that process real quick. All right, so now we're gonna start prying. You can get about 4 of these for $4 at Walmart, so let's try. And there you go. So what you want to do is unplug this clip. It's got a little safety thing, I'm sure, on it. I haven't ever pulled this out, so we're going to see. All right, so now what you're going to want to do is clean all this tape off. That's where the Goo Gone comes in handy. So we'll see, it peels off pretty easy. So we're going to peel it off and then use some Goo Gone to clean it up. And since this isn't shown to the outside world, it don't matter if you're a little rough with it. It's kind of hid. So, being that we do have the show pattern wire here and button, I will need to open my trunk just so I can run the wire through. And just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to run it straight up to the 12 volt input and show you all what it looks like. And I will make an update later on when I find a better way to run this through the car without it being seen. So we're going to go ahead and get ready to place this. So I'm going to grab your plug here. I accidentally shoved it up in there when I was cleaning it. Grab your plug. Just going to plug it in straight, just like your stock one. All right. Make sure this is for your show pattern. Make sure you funnel it through, just like that. It's getting ready to storm here. So, all right, make sure you got it up. I'm gonna leave that on just in case I don't get it right the first time. You're gonna peel your tape off here. Guess I should have done that before I plugged it in. That's a good idea. Take your tape off. And pull it through. Alright. Let's get a better view when I place it on it. Alright, we're good to place it. Try to touch the tape as best as you can. Make sure you still got it up. Run it through. Even. Press it in. Make sure you got a good, tight seal. It's mainly what that strip is for, the tape strip, just a weather seal. Now you're good to take this off. So now we're going to run our show pattern light just real quick. We got a really good seal on that. It's nice. So there's my tools. What I'm going to do is just quickly pop these out. You watch some of my other videos, you've seen me do this before. Like I mentioned before, I'm gonna find a better way to run this show pattern cable so it's not seen. I'm gonna make an update video. So now you should be able to get your cord. It's running out this side, right? Yep, it's right there. There it is. So I think what we're going to do, we're going ahead and plug it in. By the way, they give you zip ties with this as well, so you can zip tie it to places. So we're going to loosely do it right now. So what we're going to do is run it through and run it along this here. So put this back up. So like I mentioned before, we're going to temporarily run this straight up just so I can show you what it looks like. So we're going to lay the back seats down and run it up to our cigarette lighter. So eventually, I'm going to run this behind and up under stuff so you can't see it. We're good to try it out. Is that cool or what? Press the brake. So guys, was that not cool or what? Make sure you go check them out if you want one, and make sure to use that 10% discount code that you can find in the bio on my Instagram popping up down below. I love mine, and it's only been on there for a few hours, so I cannot wait to see the reaction that people have to this. So yeah, like always, YouTube, I hope that y'all enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please go down below and super smash the like and subscribe button for me. We are getting very close to the first 1,000 subs on the channel, so if you're watching and you're not subbed, please go smash the subscribe button so you can be a part of this growing channel. Until next time, YouTube, go get you one of these. Peace out.